High quality. Made in United States. Professional products. HYPERflex replacement polyurethane components stand up well to contaminants that often destroy rubber and have been engineered to give longer-lasting performance and not compress permanently. The nature of this superior material, Energy Suspension's HYPERflex, is the result of 20-plus years of experience working with and formulating polyurethane materials. Careful selection of material firmness or durometer is used for each specific application on the vehicle's suspension and frame. The three most valuable reasons for using Energy Suspension's HYPERflex components are performance, durability and appearance. Called HYPERformance, Energy Suspension's HYPERflex is performance polyurethane that delivers an amazing amount of performance to any vehicle that runs with it. Proven on the racetrack as well as the street, on and off-road, under the most demanding conditions. Over 20 years of positive customer raves have attested to that. Whether domestic or import, front, rear or 4WD, or old or new, all vehicles will achieve that level of performance that has made Energy Suspension the most asked for name in performance polyurethane suspension components. Durable HYPERflex components do not rot or deteriorate from exposure to oils and undercar chemicals or atmospheric conditions like smog and ozone. Unlike O.E.M rubber, HYPERflex components will not break down and deteriorate, causing mushy handling and poor steering response. Certainly not what you want on your vehicle. And for improved appearance, HYPERflex components are available in red or black, to suit your needs for show or go. Top reviews from the United States. Buy this. 2004 Runner State Route 5. My steering rack bushings were shot. Installed this kit and my 4Runner steers like a fighter jet now. Absolutely recommend.